So tell me, did you ever have that conversation with your kids? You know, the conversation, the one that you just dread having, that you wish you would never have to have? Sexual education. I know it's a taboo. I have a beard, I have a yarmulke, and I even have tzitzis and glasses. What am I talking about this here? Rabbi, come on. Let me tell you a story. One day, a mother comes home. This is a true story. And she looks at the computer and suddenly she sees in the history some sites which are not proper sites. Websites I'm talking about. This was at the time of pop-ups. Well, right away she calls the babysitter. It wasn't him. She tries to find out. She is so furious. She says, I'm going to take the kid that did this and I'm going to put him through the wall. He's going to get it. Next thing you know, little boy, 9 years old, gets called into the office. My son, we saw something on the computer. Was it you? And the son says, Mommy, remember 6 months ago I went to camp? Well, while in the airport, one of the boys found a dirty magazine in the garbage can. Opened the magazine and started showing all the boys. It opened my curiosity, and right away, I was thinking about this all the time for the last 6 months. And just yesterday, I went on the computer and I put the 3-letter word, SEX. And suddenly, I saw an image, then another image, then another image. And I didn't know what to do. I just closed the computer, ran to my bed and started crying. Imagine if the mother would have just punished their child without having that conversation. That child would have looked for this somewhere else. Well, really, the whole story is a true story, but it should never have happened this way. Unfortunately, today, our children find out about things at a much younger age than you could ever imagine. I've spoken to kids 7 years old, not when they were 7, when they were 17 and 18 and 20 and 30, and told me what happened when they were 7. Today, if you want your child to grow up in a healthy way, in a holy way, in a protected way, you need to be the one to have that conversation with your child. Because if they don't find out from you, they'll find out from somebody else. How to do it? You have experts which will tell you how to have that conversation. God bless you and good luck. Be the parent to the kids that you love.